question.
Is there anything more frustrating than opening a dishwasher and finding that it hasn't cleaned properly? Well, there probably is more frustrating things in life, but that's one of them. On this dishwasher, it's been a gradual deterioration. It's not something that's just gone overnight and the dishes aren't getting washed properly. I presume... Let's assume that the filter is clean. That's the most obvious thing. But all the other... I've seen lots of videos about this, but there's one thing when it's a gradual deterioration that I think is probably the problem with your dishwasher. If you'd like to look at this, I'll show you what it is. This is the spray arm that goes round and round at the top like this. There's one at the bottom, of course, that we know about. Now this is quite a few years old now, but you see this spray arm? It's got a lot of play on it, like this. And it also, see how it's got the play on it, like this? And also, it catches the plates at the bottom. And what it is, if I take this off and show you, we can come out here. Over the well, perhaps a year or two, this thing wears out, and the spray arm doesn't go around properly. But not only is it not going around properly, this part here is leaking water. So if you imagine inside, a lot of water is just leaking out, and it's not building up pressure for this spray arm to go around. So it's so simple, as you can see, it's so simple to remove. And here's one I prepared earlier. This one I got new off, well, this was on eBay. It cost £10.60. And you pop this back on. Just screw it on like that. And that one is a lot steadier and spins round properly. And that's all it is. But don't forget, there are also spray arms at the bottom. And these can wear out, as this one's okay, but if this one has a lot of wear on it, or especially this one here, these can even wear out and come off, then nothing will wash properly down here either. So £10 and it's fixed. Job done.